Unlocking the secrets of a healthy diet. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that's essential for both language and life: healthy diet. Understanding this can help you make better food choices and improve your English. Let's get started. A healthy diet involves eating a variety of foods that give you the nutrients you need to maintain your health, feel good, and have energy. These nutrients include protein, carbohydrates, fat, water, vitamins, and minerals. It's not about strict limitations or depriving yourself of the foods you love. Rather, it's about feeling great, having more energy, and stabilizing your mood. A healthy diet is built on a balance of fruits and vegetables, rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and low in calories. Proteins, crucial for building and repairing tissues. They can be found in both animal and plant sources. Whole grains. Foods like brown rice, oats, and whole wheat bread contain more nutrients and fiber than their refined counterparts. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and certain fish. They are essential for brain health and energy. Eating a healthy diet is not just about physical benefits, it's also crucial for your mental health. A diet high in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins can help boost your energy, improve your mood, combat diseases, control your weight, enhance your overall well-being. Starting a healthy diet involves simple, sustainable changes, like incorporating a variety of foods, staying hydrated, limiting processed foods and sugars, planning your meals, enjoying your food, and understanding your hunger cues. Thank you for watching. Remember, a healthy diet is a valuable part of a healthy lifestyle. We hope this video helps you make informed choices in English and in life. Stay tuned for more helpful videos, and happy learning!